Welcome back. Today topic is Android Google Firebase Cloud Storage. How to upload or delete or download images to Firebase Cloud Storage from Android app. So let's go to the Android app. So first we need to integrate the Firebase Cloud into Android app. How to do that? Go through this Google Firebase Cloud Messaging initial setup and search for this in YouTube and then add Unisys for that and search for this in YouTube and then you get this video and go through that and do the initial setup. Then this will integrate it into this Android app. Once it is integrated, for storage we need to integrate the Firebase Cloud Storage. That storage we need to give it in the build gradle. That is this one, Firebase Storage 10.20, and then Firebase UI Storage 0.60, and then this is we have to give. Once it gives, it is integrated. This Firebase Cloud Storage integrated into your app. Once it is integrated, we can get the instance of the Firebase Cloud. Here in first statement I code this, that is Firebase Storage get instance. Here this is the default bucket. I am uploading into the default bucket, so I got the get instance. If you want to add, you can add a bucket. So if you want to get the instance of that bucket, you can get that through here. You can give the bucket name like this. So there you can give the bucket name so that you can get the instance of the bucket. So from that bucket you can refer the files. So now we got the default bucket. So once we got the reference, once we got the instance, we need to get the reference for that default bucket. So that is storage reference, and then Firebase storage get reference. So I got the reference. That reference is this default bucket. Now I want to upload the image here, not in folders. I want to upload image here only. So I need to give that path. That path is storage reference, and then that is child, and that image name is spider.jpg. So storage reference, that is the default bucket, and then I am storing here only, so that is spider.jpg. If I want to store it in English folder, I need to give the path like English/spider.jpg. So now I am not storing it in folder in outside, so I am giving directly child and then spider.jpg. Once we have a reference to that image, we need to call put file on that. Look at here. We need to call put file to upload image to cloud storage, and then pass this image URI. That URI of that image in the device, mobile device, and we need to pass it. So once it is passed, it returns the upload task. So by using this upload task, we can add a listener on upload task, and through event listeners we get that image upload is success or not, and progress of that image uploading, how many bytes transferred. So that we have a listener called add on success listener. Once upload is successful, this will be called. And if you have a add on progress listener, so that it gives the how many number of bytes it is transferred, and we have on completion listener. Like this depends on listener. Using this listener, we get the status of this upload task. So that is, we got cloud instance and cloud reference, and then image reference, and then call put file. Then it will upload into the database. Once upload successful, here I am setting that image on image view here on the screen. So set image URI. So that image URI. So if it is success, only I am setting this image URI. So if it is not success, that is I am not setting. So once I got the screen image on the screen, that means that upload is successful. That is for upload put file. For download, we need to give get file. This is for upload. This is for delete. Download. Here first we need to get we already got the reference to the cloud store instance to the cloud storage, and then on that reference to the cloud storage and downloading the path of the image, that directly I am storing there. There is no folders, so I am giving the child spider.jpg. Once they got image reference, then we need to call get bytes. Here I am downloading and then I am setting it on the screen. So I am not storing in the file, so I am not given as a get file. So I given as the get bytes, because I need to get the bytes and convert into bitmap and then set it on the screen. So I need to call get bytes. This is the maximum size of that image. So once that download task, I want to monitor the status of this task, so I get through event listener. So I add a listener, event listener, that is add on success listener. So when it is download is complete, we get this through message. Here on success we got the bytes, and I am decode that bytes into the bitmap, and then I am setting it on the screen. So got the reference, call the get bytes, get the get bytes method, and then monitor it by the event listener. On success we got the bytes and convert into bitmap and then setting on the image. So let's see now. This is the screen. Buttons I have given that, and this is the button for all the buttons, and then image view for setting on image on the screen. So let's go to the code, and this is I got the reference to the all buttons and then image view, and this upload image. Here we need to have code for intent, that intent action pick. So it gives the apps which has implicit intent action pick, so that app should have that only images. So the type is images, so it gives the app where implicit intent is action pick and then set images. So we can select the images to upload into the cloud storage, that is create chooser. Once it is selected, I am calling start activity for results, the start activity for results, and then that will be comes to the, it calls the on callback method on activity results. So here, so if result is OK and that path of that URI we get through this intent, so I got that data, get data will gives the URI of that selected image. That URI I am giving it here, put file, so it will set it, it will upload into the cloud storage. Once it is upload success, I am setting it on the screen. When it comes to the download, so this is download, I am just giving the reference and then this is already explained. So let's see this in so now I am selecting the upload image. So I got this action pick matches two apps here. Look at here, two apps, the implicit intent action pick apps. This is photos and gallery. So from this I am going to select one image. So I am selected, this is book movie ticket app. So I am selected the image. Now upload is completed. I got the image on the screen. At the same time, I must have got this here also. I uploaded here not in long ways, it's outside. See, I got this. So same image I got there. Here I got the image, there same image I got it. Now I want to delete this image. That delete function, delete button I want to delete, so I need to call delete on that file. So here it is delete. So for delete, instead of put file, not here, we need to call delete here. We need to get the reference of that image, that is reference and child, and then dot delete. So we need to call delete method, and that returns the task. We can add a listener on that is completed or not. So that is one. So I am deleting now. This is the delete one. So I am pressing the delete now. When it is deleted, I am setting the null on this image view so that this will not have nothing on the screen. So I am pressing this delete. So that is, I got delete, so it is deleted. That's it, it is got deleted, and then cloud storage also it is got deleted now. So now I am uploading this file from the directly to the cloud storage. So I am downloading it now. So I press the download image, so it should give that image. Once it is downloaded, that bytes I am converting into bitmap, and then this is get bytes. On success it gives the bytes, and then I am setting on the bitmap on the screen, so I should get the image on this. See, now I got it now. So now I want to upload this image from the whatever the set it on the screen, and that is on the memory, cache memory. This image will be on the cache memory. So from that cache memory I want to upload it into the cloud storage. So how to do that? I will delete this. Previously I uploaded the image from the selected from the mobile device and then uploaded. Now I want to upload image which is in the cache memory, that is the image is on the screen. So that how to do it we are going to see now. This is the code. So that image is on the cache memory, so that first is set drawing cache name memory is true, and then we need to call this build drawing cache. So we need to call the bitmap from that cache memory. We need to get the bitmap of that image. Once we got the bitmap, we need to compress and then convert it as a byte array output stream. So from that output stream I get the bytes. So once I get the bytes, I call the put bytes, so that it uploads into the cloud storage. That is, I need to get this storage reference, and then that is directly on that, not any folders. So I got the storage reference here, spider.jpg. So this I got the bytes from the cache memory for this image. So I need to call image reference and dot put bytes, and then pass that bytes. This bytes is data, that is I passing now. So it returns the upload task. So if you want to know that, so whether this upload task is finished or not, so we get to know only through event listener. So we add that event listener to the upload task. So that is add on success listener. So when it is success, it gives that I am just displaying that, and this upload image is successful. So this is that. This code converts the cache memory into the bytes, and once we got the bytes, we need to get the image reference and then call put bytes. That uploads into the cloud storage. Let's see that now. And I deleted now. Okay, now there is nothing in cloud storage. So I am pressing this upload from memory. So I think it refreshed, so I'll go back and see this, it uploaded or not. See, now I got that. So that is that upload from memory. So that is got that cache memory into the converting bitmap, that is converts into bytes, image reference, call the put bytes, it will upload into the cloud storage. So once we have an image on cloud storage, we can get directly through Firebase storage UI. So we don't need to download. We don't need to download and set it on the image on the screen. We can just one statement, then that is Firebase storage UI provides us this. So this statement directly set it on the image view on the screen, that is glide, and then activity contest using Firebase image loader, and then we need to pass this image reference, which image we are going to cloud storage, which image you are referring, that is get reference dot child spider dot jpg, and then into where it has to set it, that is image view on the screen. So that is Firebase storage UI provides this. Directly we can give the reference to the cloud storage image, set it on the image view on the screen. So that we will see it now. We will see it now. Now I will delete this image. So it is got deleted now. So that is set it to null on the screen. So it also got deleted. Then I'll upload it now. No, it's not deleted. It's deleted. So I am uploading it now. Okay. So this image I want to set it on this screen by pressing download from Firebase storage UI. Using Firebase storage UI, I am pressing it now. I got the image now. So that's it all about this. Upload, download, delete, upload from the memory. This is the buttons we have. These are all buttons and then image view. And then code is I already shown now. This is for upload image. Call the intent to select the image and then start activity results. Upload image, this piece of code. This is get the cache memory and converts into bytes, and then call put bytes and pass that bytes, and then delete image, call delete method and pass the on the image reference of the cloud image reference, so that deletes. And download image, we need to call get bytes, because we can call like get files or get bytes. Get files is store it in the file, and then get bytes is to set it on the screen. So I call the bytes on the image reference of the cloud in cloud. So on success we get the bytes and set it on image, and then from storage UI directly we can set it on the screen. That is the code for this. So this is on activity results. When an image is selected, so if result is okay, I got the URI of that image, selected image. So on the reference of that cloud storage image where I need to upload it, so that path, this is on that path, call the put file. So that's it, it will upload it here. So this is all about this one. So let's go to what else it is. Remaining things we go through here.